Okay, so welcome back to the series. And in this module, we are going to be talking about environment variable within Python. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So to get our environment, we can just say user is equals to, then we can say os dot environ. I think environ. So right here, we pick up the name we want to get. Say user. Then we can just print. You can print the user that we try to get from our environment variable, and we're just going to run this program all same way. You can see it's returned back to us Gabriel, so it's yeah, Gabriel back to us as our environment. And the same thing we do with bash. We can just say user. You can see it's returned the same thing. We did the same thing the other time. And if you dive in right here, you see the same way we return the user, you can just decide to return the path. So you can say was dot environ. So to get our path right here, so you can just say path, and we can frame path. Okay, so let's run this guy. You can see it return the path to us. Same way we can do with bash. We can say path and return path back to us. So that is how we get the environment variable. So we're just going to go into conditional statements within Python.